Outstanding design defines the 2013 Honda CR-V. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as a tachometer, rear wipers, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.